Let's look at this question. Let 3x raised to the power 1 by 5 greatest integer function is equal to 3, and 2y raised to the power 1 by 3 greatest integer function is equal to 4, where greatest integer function denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to it. Which of the following can be a possible value of 2x plus 3y? Okay, see this. If 3x raised to the power 1 by 5 is equal to 3, can I say 3x raised to the power 1 by 5 is either equal to 3? It can range any value from 3 to 4. It can range in any value 3 to 4, and therefore 3x can range in any value 243 to 1024, and therefore x can range in any value from 81 1024 divided by 3. 1020 is 340, so 341 point something 341 point 341.33. The range of x has been identified. Okay, let's do the same thing with y. If 2y raised to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 4, greatest integer function please. So either 2y raised to the power 1 by 3 is greater than equal to 4 and is less than 5, or 2y less than equal to 64 and less than 125. Okay, so y will lie in the range 32 to, sorry, not equal to 62.5. So now when the question finally asks me which of the following can be a possible value of 2x plus 3y, let's say 2x plus 3y, minimum value of 2x would be 162 and maximum value would be 340. Again, I have made a mistake here, not equal to less than. So 341 double of that is 682.66. Okay, and the minimum value of 3y would be 96 and maximum value would be 62.5 into 3 is 187.5. So minimum summation of 2x plus 3y would be 256. Maximum summation would be 682 plus 187.5. Add them up, it is so difficult. So 0.16 first, 1 carried over, 0 here, 1 carried over, 7 here, 1 carried over, 8 here. So it will lie in the range 256 to 870.16. The only possible value is option C.